Hey, this weather got me fucked up. Yeah. I'm a god. Look. Oh shit, it's wet. Ah!
They call me Lil Von.
Ah, it's wet.
Ow! Ow!
Oh
shit.
The hail's hitting me. Ah!
Oh, the hail hit my head.
The hail hurts.
We're two cholos.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I've never felt true pain until you've been hit by hail. That hurts.
Okay, ice.
These hails are big as hell.
Cold as polar bear.
I know. Woo!
We're taking Anna.
Who the fuck is Anna?
I'm taking her.
I know so many people that would be scared right now to even step out on their porch. It's not even funny. Dude, the rug is like wet.
Oh! Hey!
Hey, you look like a Muslim.
Hey, that wasn't fair. I didn't see that one coming.
You look like a damn Muslim. Look at this crappy bastard. Driving slow and shit. That thunder sounds so vicious. Hey, how bad do you think Euclid's gonna flood?
A lot.
You think there's gonna be school tomorrow?
Yeah, I want to. I started talking to the girl.
Oh, you trying to get some vagina?
Fuck it.
Oh. This is Isaiah and Little Von out in the weather like some god.
Way high.
So, yeah. We are gods. We are legion. We are everything.
Way high.
Yeah.
It melted.
Stop now.
It melted. Look, they're in
Oh,
the...
it's on here, look.
Yeah.
In my cushion.
Get your ass inside. Oh, your cushion wet.
Oh, that was pretty. I like that. That was
Did you
pretty.
catch that?